Coin ring maker, mail time. I got 2 packages. Let's open them up, see what I got. I didn't think that would work so well, but it totally worked. It's a thing in a bag. Let's get it out of the bag. It's a thing in another bag. Let's get it out of that bag. Well, would you look at that? It's a piece of metal with a little winky face on it. It's a little winky face metal stamp. We'll try this out here in a second. But first, let's see what's in package number 2. Why, it's a cute little envelope. Let's see what's in there. It's a little smiley face stamp. Alright, let's try these out. So the first thing I did with these is I put some markings on them. I could only find a pink marker, so it's kind of faint and hard to see. But I found the middle of the bottom of the stamp, marked it on the side, followed that up, marked it on the top, and then marked it on the top of the stamps. So when I put it on something, I know where the middle of the bottom is, and that's usually how I'm going to be stamping stuff. You might be able to see it a little better on the other stamp, but that's what I did. Let's stamp some stuff. This penny has been annealed, which means I've just heated it up and then dropped it in some water to cool it down, and that softened the metal a little bit, so that should make it easier to stamp. I'm going to try and line this stamp up with old Abe's face here. Get my press down, and this is just a 1-ton arbor press. So we're going to see what I can do with just my own muscle. It's pretty cute. Try out this other one. This time I'll put it over here in this little empty void of space on the coin. Pretty neat. Well, what do you guys think? Cool mail time or what? Follow for more. Give this video a like. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.